वेलकम प्रिशा स्वरा ऋषि चलो टुडे point new point is functional group. First of all, try to isolate these words in two parts. Group means bunch. A bunch of different atoms is known as a group. And functional organic compounds gives different type of reactions. And the group of atoms which is responsible to do the chemical reaction in case of organic compounds, and this particular group is known as a functional group. In our organic chemistry there are 24 types of functional groups are there. First of all, we will try to understand about the functional group, its name, its molecular formula and its structural formula. Then when this group will attach to alkyl group, it will create some compounds. Then in case of compound, we should have to see the name of compound, then molecular formula of compound, then structural formula of compound. Third one is the nomenclature. There are two types of nomenclature method. First one is common method. The second one is IUPAC method. Which type of suffix or prefix are used during the nomenclature method? In both method, we should have to see. First group is saturated group. When we say the organic compound is saturated, if there is a single bond between two carbon atoms, is known as a saturated group. Carbon possesses tetravalency property, that's why 3 valency should be indicate in open position. Same molecular formula and structure formula. And this type of compounds are known as alkane compound. यहाँ as it is है. Yes, in common method, ANE is to be used as a suffix. In IUPAC method also, ANE is to be used as a suffix. Second one, unsaturated group. Unsaturated group कब कहा जाता है? When there is a double bond between two carbon atoms, otherwise triple bond between two carbon atoms. And this type of groups are known as a unsaturated groups. इसमें दो functional group आते हैं, डबल बॉन्ड वाला और ट्रिपल बॉन्ड वाला. कार्बन के भी दो कार्बन के भी डबल बॉन्ड है तो 2 वैलेंसी ओपन रखनी पड़ेगी हमको. एनी हाउ कार्बन की 4 वैलेंसी सेटल करनी है. इन केस ऑफ ट्रिपल बॉन्ड में एक वैलेंसी ओपन होगी. यह स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्मूला एज इट इज होगा. दिस कंपाउंड, यस, if there is a double bond between two carbon atoms, they are known as a alkene compound. In case of triple bond, they are known as a alkyne compound. Yes, in common and IUPAC method, ENE is to be used as a suffix. In case of alkyne, YNE, this type of words is used as a suffix. Next one is halide group. Halide means fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, any one of them. Yes, halide. When R is alkyl group, when halogen group is attached with a R, then we can say alkyl halide. And in common method, halide is to be used as a suffix, whereas in IUPAC method, halo is to be used as a prefix. Next one is hydroxy group. OH group is known as hydroxy group. Its structure is O single bond, open valency, O single bond H. And this type of, when this group is directly attached with alkyl group, these compounds are known as a alcohol This is the structure. In IUP common method, alcohol is to be used as a suffix. In IUPAC method, anol is to be used as a suffix. You mind well. Yes. Next one is aldehyde CHO group. This is aldehyde group. Its structure is open valence C double bond O single bond H. This is the structure of aldehyde group. This compounds when this group is directly attached with alkyl group, these compounds are known as a aldehyde compound. Their structure is R single bond C double bond O single bond H. In common method, aldehyde is to be used as suffix. In IUPAC method, anal is to be used as suffix. Now COOH group. One oxygen is more compared to aldehyde group, carboxylic acid. Its structure formula, this structure formula is very very important. During the reaction, ये requirement होगी. Open valency C double bond O single bond H. When this group is directly attached with alkyl group, it will give RCOOH compounds. And these compounds are known as a carboxylic acid compound. Its structure formula is R single bond C double O single bond O single bond H. In IU common method, onic acid is to be used as suffix. Whereas in case of IUPAC method, oic acid is to be used as suffix. Then if you replace OH group by Cl, this is the derivative of carboxylic acid. This one is also derivative of carboxylic acid. This group is formed by replacement of OH by Na2 and Cl. That's why this is known as the acid chloride. This one is acid amine. Otherwise, it is well known as a amide. Its structural formula is open valency C single bond. Open valency C double O single bond Cl. In case of amide group, open valency C double bond O single bond and नाइट्रोजन के साथ दो हाइड्रोजन सिंगल बॉन्ड से. When these groups are attached with alkyl group, they will give RCOCl, otherwise RCONH2 compounds. In structural formula, R single bond C double OCl, otherwise R single bond C double ONH2. In both common and IUPAC method, acid chloride is to be used as suffix. In case of amide compound, amide is also used as a suffix. Then कुछ ग्रुप्स ऐसे हैं जिसकी दोनों ओर वैलेंसी ओपन है. फर्स्ट वन इज ऑक्सीजन, दोनों ओर वैलेंसी ओपन, इट इज नोन एज ईथर. उसमें वन कार्बन ऐड कर दो CO, इट इज नोन एज ए कीटोन. इसके पीछे एक ऑक्सीजन, कीटोन के पीछे एक ऑक्सीजन लगा दो तो ईस्टर. और नाउ ईथर लिख लो, बोथ साइड CO ग्रुप लगा दो और दोनों साइड ओपन वैलेंसी रख दो. Its structural formula will be this type. When both side alkyl groups are attached at that time, these compounds are known as ether compound, yes, ketone compound, ester compound, and acid and hydride compound. In common method, ether, ketone, ester, and acid and hydride used to be used as a suffix. In case of ether, alkox, yes, IUPAC method में alkoxy group is to be used as a prefix. Whereas in case of ketone, anon, in case of ester, anoate, in case of acid and hydride is to be used as a suffix. Then there are some functional group having nitrogen atom. Amines, there are three types of amine: primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine. Primary amine की molecular formula NH single bond NH2. In case of secondary amine, NH both side valency open रहेगी. In case of tertiary amine, नाइट्रोजन लिख दो, तीनों तीन ओपन वैलेंसी रख दो. इनके स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्मूला, नाइट्रोजन के साथ 2 हाइड्रोजन सिंगल बॉन्ड से जुड़े हुए हैं. In case of secondary amine, nitrogen की 2 valency open, 1 nitrogen will be attached with through single bond with hydrogen. Yes, in case of secondary amine, nitrogen की 2 valency open and nitrogen is bonded with 1 hydrogen through single bond. In case of tertiary amine, it will be remain as it. No hydrogen will be present in case of tertiary amine. Yes. When these valencies are satisfied through alkyl group, that's why general formula of primary amine is to be indicated by RNH2, secondary amine is to be indicated by RNHR, and tertiary amine is to be indicated by nitrogen is surrounded by 3 alkyl groups. Okay, in case of थोड़ी जगह की कमी है, इसलिए यहाँ nomenclature in primary amine or secondary amine, tertiary amine, amine in common method, amine is to be used as a suffix. In all the amines, some IUPAC method, amino otherwise amine, amino is to be used as a prefix, yeah, amine is to be used as a suffix. The next group is cyanide group, CN. This group is also known as a nitrile group. इनके स्ट्रक्चर में ओपन वैलेंसी C ट्रिपल बॉन्ड N है. When this group is connected with alkyl group, these compounds are known as a cyanide compound या nitrile compound. उनका स्ट्रक्चर है R single bond C triple bond N. In common method, cyanide is to be used as a suffix, and IUPAC method, cyano other is to be used as a suffix, otherwise nitrile is to be used as a prefix. Yes, in IUPAC method, cyano is to be used as a prefix, otherwise nitrile is to be used as a suffix. Then isocyanide group, कुछ करना नहीं है, नाइट्रोजन को आगे ले लो, कार्बन को पीछे ले लो. But in this group, always plus and minus sign is to be indicated on nitrogen and carbon atom. Its structural formula, open valency N triple bond C plus minus. When this group is directly attached with the alkyl group, at that time these compounds are known as isocyanide compound, isonitrile compound. They are also known as a carbylamine compound. Its structure is R single bond N triple bond C plus minus. Next group is nitro group. NO2 is the nitro group. उनका स्ट्रक्चर है N double bond O, ये single bond से oxygen. This bond is called coordinate bond. When this group is directly attached with R group, RNO2, these are the nitro compounds. This is its structure formula. In IUPAC method, nitro is to be used as a prefix during both common and IUPAC method. Then, yes, thioalcohol. In organic chemistry, nitrogen is to be used, yes, well known. In organic chemistry, nitrogen is well known as a azo and sulfur is well known as a thio. SH, now you see OH की जगह O is replaced by sulfur. Then if OH is there, we can say alcoholic group. This is thioalcohol. S open valency SH. With this group is directly attached with R, alkyl group. It becomes RSH. These compounds are known as a thioalcohol. Its structural formula is R single bond S single bond H. Next one is thioether. When we can say ether, if oxygen is bonded with 2 single bond and both of valencies open, if oxygen is replaced by sulfur, it becomes thioether. In common method, ether is to be used as a suffix. Then thioaldehyde. You see, aldehyde, CHO, oxygen is to be used as In case of aldehyde, oxygen is replaced by sulfur, we can say thioaldehyde. Its structure is open valency C, double bond S, single bond H. When this group will attach with alkyl group, this compounds known as a thioaldehyde. And next one is thioketone. It is the derivative of a ketone. In case of ketone, CO group, otherwise carbon is bonded with oxygen. From ketone compound, if we replace oxygen by sulfur, it will give thioketone, CS. Structure is open valency C, double bond S, open valency. This compounds, when both open valencies are satisfied by alkyl group, RCSR. This is structural formula. This compounds are known as a thioketone. And finally, sulfonic acid group, SO3H. Yes, open valency. This is the structure of SO3H, sulfonic acid group. Our sulfur is bonded with two oxygen atoms through double bond, single bond O, single bond H. When this group is directly attached with alkyl group, these compounds are known as a sulfonic acid compound. And structure of this sulfonic acid compound is this one. Okay, Prisha, complete kare. Yes, in next lecture we will see about the homologous series. Okay, thank you very much. Yes, try to share with the student. Okay, thank you.